Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ramesh Sultana from United Public School. Welcome to my class Science. So students, listen here carefully. Now we are starting our new lesson Rain. Where does it come from? Okay students, our new lesson is interesting lesson is the rain. Where does it come from? So students, just you see here, Ramya and Soumya were getting ready to go to school. Both are the girls, they are ready to go to school. Their mother advised them to keep a umbrella with them. So her mother advised them to take a umbrella with them while going to school. So Ramya asked her mother why the umbrella was needed as it was not raining. So the girl was asking to her mother, why mom? It will not rain. That why should we take umbrella after looking at the sky? The mother will look at the sky and say that it was likely to rain because the cloudy and windy weather is there, because there are more clouds are there and there is a windy weather. That's why maybe it leads to rain. That's why you take your umbrella. So rain is a common phenomena like air, sunlight in our daily life. Yes, is students, air is present in our surrounding as well as sunlight is very important in our life. Yes students, we generally get more rain in rainy season. Yes, we know that we get more rain in our rainy season only. That if the sky cloud, then there is a possibility of rain. What we will think that if the sky will be cloudy, if there more clouds are present, so it leads to rain. But clouds do not leads to rain every time. So always the cloud not responsible to make a rain. Some other reasons also there. Just you see here, forms of water. All of us know that water is available in nature in the three forms. We know that water available in three forms. What are they? Solid form. Just you see here, ice is there now students. All solid forms of water, ice. So water is also in the form of solid ice cubes. You see in our house in freezer some solid cube is there. Yes or students, yes or no? Yes, it is a type of water. It is in form of water, solid form. It is a type of solid form of water, ice. Okay students. Liquid form. What happen if ice is kept in the open air? It will be formed into water. Yes, if we get heat ice, it change into water. Yes or no students? Yes, the ice will be smelt into water. Water in liquid form is present in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers and every even underground. So liquid is maybe form in the present in oceans. Yes, water is present in the ocean as well as lakes, as well as rivers, as well as seas. Yes students. So other form of water means in the form of water vapor. Okay students, what happens when water is heated? The gaseous form of water is water vapor. Other form is water vapor in the form of gases. Okay students, three types of forms of water. Three types. What are they? First one is ice cubes. Second one is what? Liquid form. And third one is warm, gases form. Example, water vapor, gases form. Okay students, we know that when ice is heated, it converts into water. Yes, if we heat ice means it will be changed into what? Water. And if we heat water means it will be changed into water vapor. Yes students. So just you see here students, here ice is there. Yes students, if we heat it or if we cold ice, the ice will be changed into what? The ice will be changed into water. If we heated water or it may be cold, means it will be changed into what? It may be changed into water vapor. Yes students. So evaporation and formation of clouds. How the evaporation take place and how the formation of clouds take place. So evaporation is nothing but students, the water is evaporator in the form of water vapor, we called as evaporation. What happens to the water in wet cloth when they are kept in sunlight? What happens students? When we want to dry cloth quickly, we wave them up to or keep the under a fan. Yes, students, if we want the clouds to dry, means what we will do? We will keep the cloud in sunlight as well as under a fan. So students, listen here. How are clouds formed? Explain. Just you write this question along with answer and submit in the group. First one question. This is your homework. Okay, students, compulsory do this homework.